Here we are in my closet again. Today I'm gonna be transforming my spring capsule wardrobe into a summer one, and I'm super excited because I love summer. You will see loads of dresses here very soon. Plus I'm also gonna show you a few bits that I decluttered and some things that I added as we normally do. So yeah, let's get started. So let's start by showing you what I'm decluttering. It's not a lot this time. So the first thing that I'm letting go is this gorgeous coral belt. As you can see, I love the color. That's the reason that I bought it. And I thought that I'm gonna wear it loads, but I actually never ever reach for it because I just prefer my black belts. As much as I love it, I'm never wearing it, but my sister is in love with it. So I'm gonna give this belt to her. Then the second belt that I'm letting go is this one. This one, it's a black belt with the gold hardware. Again, my sister, she said, I want it, so I'm giving it to her. But when I bought it, I was never in love with it. But when I was looking around 3 or 4 years ago, there were no black belts with gold hardware. It was really difficult to find one. So I just got this one. It's kind of falling apart a little bit. I can show you. It's not there yet. I can still get somewhere out of it, but I know that at the rate that I'm wearing it, I'm soon gonna destroy it, so I better give it to my sister. She wears belts occasionally and she will enjoy this one a lot more. And what I actually found is an alternative that I prefer much more. And it's, again, a black belt, but this one is much thicker. And also the buckle, is it called the buckle? It's much bigger and more gold, and I just prefer this one so much. Maybe I can show you how they look. You see, it's not a huge difference, but it's a big difference for me in the way that I style my clothes. So this is what I added to my wardrobe. Then the third thing that I'm letting go is this cami. It's a silk cami, and it's this kind of, I don't know, beige, nude color, I don't know, but I have my white cami over here. This is my white cami, and I just prefer, whenever I want to wear a light colored cami, I just always reach for this one. So this one is neglected, so I'm actually gonna give it to my mom. Now you met my mom and you can imagine how that will look, but she needs some good basics, so I think she's gonna enjoy this one a lot more. What I actually got is a t-shirt that is cropped. So this is a new piece that I added to my wardrobe. I have so many camis, I don't need that color variety, but having t-shirts that are cropped, this is the only one that I have, so it's kind of a different style. And then the last thing that I added is a top. This is basically a training top. It looks like this. It's just a black top. Again, I love the straps and how fun everything looks. Because I'm training a lot more. Around 5 weeks ago, I started training a lot more. So yeah, I just found that I needed a little bit more support, and this bra, I love it because it's kind of a bra but also a crop top at the same time. So I don't mind going outside in this with really high waisted leggings. Yeah, so this is the third thing that I added. Not a lot, but just a few pieces here and there. So now that I showed you everything, I can finally get to the process. And what do I do first? I take everything out.
My dollars make it hurt.
So now everything is empty and I can clean it. Yeah, that's the reason why I clean every 3 months, you see? I don't know how well you can see, but it's dirty. So yeah, a good reason to clean. Now, as we did last time, I'm gonna go through all of my items that I had in my spring capsule wardrobe, and I'm gonna see if I want to keep them in my summer capsule. So let's start with this. This is just an off-shoulder sweater, obviously to wear for summer, so I'm gonna put it in storage. This is a maxi skirt that I love, so I'm keeping it. This is, again, a dress that I really enjoy and I wear all the time, so it's staying as well. And my 2 blazers. They're staying as well, but I'm gonna actually store them downstairs, so I'm just gonna put them over there. If we go here, this jacket is actually staying. I love it very much. A t-shirt, pink t-shirt is staying. Then I have a silk pink tee or button-up that I enjoy. This one is an absolute staple and I really enjoy it. I had this one for 7 years, something like that, and I just love it so much. And also the classic coral button-up that I really enjoy. It's staying as well. Now, again, for the blazer, I'm gonna keep this blazer, but I'm gonna put it downstairs. This is a dress that I enjoy and I will keep it here. Then I just have an empty hanger, a black cami, a staple, and also the dress that I love. Now, again, I have the black pile. This is It's like off-shoulder t-shirt that I really enjoy, and it's a staple. And then I also have like this special t-shirt, black t-shirt, the classic. This is a long sleeve tee, which honestly I don't think I need it, so I'm gonna put it in storage. And now this piece, I'm not sure if you remember it from the last time, but I finally fixed it. You see how gorgeous it looks. Before it had like a leather lining that was really destroyed, so now we made it completely matte, and I just prefer this look. And this is the lesson. Sometimes if we feel that items are past their prime, we can still fix them, and this is what I did with this one, and I enjoy it, so I'm gonna put it back in. Now if you continue, so I have this one. This one is actually see-through, but I don't want it in here because I usually wear it with my nude cami underneath, and it's too warm for summer. This one, yeah, I'm gonna keep for summer as well. This one I love during the summer months with shorts. This dress, it's staying as well. Again, an empty hanger. And then I just have this silk shirt, which again, I'm gonna put in storage. And now if we continue, this is my silk cami that I really, truly enjoy. And I just have my white t-shirt. Again, I love it. This one is off-shoulder kind of design, and I really enjoy this one as well. Then I have this one, off-shoulder. This is kind of my jam. This is a long sleeve tee. I'm not sure if I want to keep it. No, I don't, actually. This is just a classic white button-up that I'm keeping as well. And my last blazer that I'm putting downstairs as well. So now I'll just put my dresses on hangers, and this is my new additions. The first one is this maxi dress that I love so much that I wore to a wedding once. Then I have this one, which is such a staple, and I just enjoy this one so much. It's so colorful and fun. Then I have another coral number, this one right here, that is just very casual, lovely summery dress. Then I have this pink dress. It's just a cami dress. I need to steam them a little bit, these items, but I'm so excited to see them. And then I have this one. I had this dress for ages, and I just really enjoy it. And then I also have another maxi dress. This is kind of more a special look, but I love it very much. Then for my tops, I'm adding 3. This one is just, it looks weird, but it's just off-shoulder little number. I really enjoy the color. Then I have this black halter top. I really enjoy it. It's just very fitting and super nice. Then I have another cami. This one is navy. And then I also have 2 cardigans. One is just a black one, and one is a white one, because I love these cardigans over the dress. I just love wearing them. So let me see what else. And then the last dress that I'm adding, and the last item for my hangers, is this black dress with a little peekaboo. And now we can go to the bottoms. So in my spring capsule I had 4 different dresses, but I'm gonna put these 2 in storage because I don't need them anymore. And I'm just gonna keep my leather little skirt and then the classic black skirt. So these are the 2 skirts that I'm keeping. And also I'm gonna add a denim skirt. So this is my denim skirt that I just wear during the summer months. So excited to see it. As for my shorts go, I just currently had 1 black pair, but I'm also gonna be adding the same exact version but in white. So these are the shorts right here. I really love them. As I do with everything, I keep saying I love stuff, but I really do. And these are just high-waisted denim shorts as well. So a lot of skirts and shorts during the summer months. And now let's go to the jeans. So from these 3 pairs, I'm just gonna keep the white pair and also these light wash jeans, and this I'm gonna put in storage. And from these 3 pairs, I'm just gonna keep the black jeans. I think they are so versatile and elegant, and these trash jeans, but the normal jeans I'm just gonna put in storage as well. Then from my pants, right now I had my leather pants out, and they're far too warm for the summer, so they're going into storage. And I also had this little number that I'm not really wearing during the summer months because it's a bit too warm, but I will bring out really light and summery pants. They're much lighter, the material, they're just so much fun. They're really high. I usually wear them with heels, but they're just so flowy, and I really enjoy them for the summer. And I think this is it for everything here. Let me see if I have anything else. So I looked through everything and I just missed this little number. This is again a favorite dress of mine, and I just cannot wait to wear it. So this is the last piece that I'm adding to my capsule wardrobe right here. And now I'm gonna put everything in storage. And once I do my storage, as you know, we're gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna do my outerwear and shoes and accessories, all of that. But now, storage. So yeah, my storage is now complete. I can close everything, and this is what my summer capsule looks like. And these are all of my blazers, so we can go downstairs now and I can show you all the outerwear, shoes and accessories. So now I'm downstairs. I'm a bit hot, so I took the jacket off, but this is all of my outerwear, and I'm just gonna grab all of my other stuff as well. So basically I'm gonna put all of my jackets and coats into the storage. I thought that with this faux coat, I can show you how it looks. It's so cozy. I thought I'm not gonna wear it in the May, but I was mistaken. So yeah, I actually wore it in May as well because I just love it so much. But now it's definitely going into storage. I'm putting this trench coat in storage because I don't really wear it during the summer months. Then I have this coat. Again, I'm not gonna be wearing, so I can put the other one on. So all of my empty hangers, I'm gonna use them for my blazers. The reason I keep my blazers downstairs is because I actually wear them as jackets. I wear them in the morning when it's a bit colder, and then during the night. So that's why it makes sense for me to have them in the hallway downstairs. And the same goes with this jacket. I always keep it downstairs during the summer months. So this is what I have: 4 blazers and 1 denim jacket. For my scarves, I have 3 out right now, but I don't need these 2, so I'm gonna put these 2 in storage. But I still want to keep this one because it's more like a shawl. It's a huge scarf, so this one I'm keeping. As far as hats go, I have this wool hat that I'm gonna put in storage, but I'm gonna bring this 2 out. This one, I just love it, has an elastic, so you see, and it doesn't fall. I know I may look weird, but it doesn't fall down. So this is such a great innovation to have this little elastic right here. And this one is more kind of like a stylish option. Again, it's a straw hat, but it's just kind of more of a stylish option. I'm gonna put the elastic in as well. I'm gonna figure out the way to do that so I can wear it and the wind doesn't bother me. So these are the 2 hats that I'm gonna be keeping. And now to show you my shoes, I need to take you down. Just a second. So these are pretty much all of my shoes. If you want to see my full collection, I made a video about my shoe collection, so you can watch that one. But here we're gonna just change everything up. What is going into storage? My UGG boots. I don't want to wear them anymore, it's too warm. Also, over the knee boots, no reason to have them in the summer months. I'm still gonna keep my Converse sneakers. I'm gonna keep these ballerinas. I'm gonna keep these ballerinas. I'm gonna keep these castanier wedges. This I'm gonna put in storage as well because I don't need them out. Let me see. So these are all of my sandals. I'm gonna put both out. So these are my jelly sandals. So this is the first pair from Valentino that I really enjoy, and this one is just a black pair. So this is what I have. I just have the black castanier wedges that I'm gonna take out as well. And I'm also gonna take my nude wedges out. This is right here. This is my husband's. I'm gonna take it out for him as well. And the last pair is this one, and it's the Valentino sandals, cage sandals. But I think I don't need this pair, to be honest. I have so much stuff out. Okay, I'm gonna put this into storage as well. So this is what I have. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 pairs. A little bit more than usual, but I have my flip-flops here as well. So this is basically my summer shoe collection. So this is pretty much it. This is my summer capsule wardrobe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.